Okay, I will be making three very quick videos, probably about 5 minutes each. I will not introduce myself on the next two videos, so this will be the first video, and what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you two programs at a time, and starting off with something really basic, and that'll be, okay, I'll show you how to make a batch file. Alright, what you can do here is you just open up a new text document. You can type, for instance, just start, and then file, save as, and then your name, so whatever, .bat. Well, and it does not have to be capital, just so you know. You can have it lowercase. Now, what you can do here is, now that you have the file, all you have to do is double click it, and it will do what you told it to. Now we'll get into some programming. Alright, something that most people like to start off with is something like hello world. I'll show you hello world since that's what most people do. You go start, echo, off, and then you do echo, hello world, pause, null. Alright, now I'll tell you what this does. When you type echo off, basically what this does, I'll show you. When you have echo off and you type echo, it'll pull up a message telling you that echo is off. Now, it says, so this right here, this will print on your screen, hello world, and this right here, it'll pause so that when you hit a key, it'll exit the program. Now, if you take the null away, for instance, it will tell you that it's going to end. Otherwise, it won't tell the user. Null means it won't tell the or show the user what you just entered before this right here. So what you do is you go to File, and you do you save as, and then your whatever .bat. Like I said, it does not have to be capitals. Save it. Now, once it is in there like so, you just double click it, and see, that's, like I said, echo. It says echo is off, and then it types hello world. Now that first enter, as you remember, it said pause null. The second one, however, did not, and so it doesn't skip a line because you didn't say echo. So it'll say press any key to continue. So you hit enter, and it closes out the program. Now, something we're going to add on to this right here is set. So we'll get rid of echo, and set is like this. Set /p, the whatever you want it to be. So just, actually I gotta make it easy, so I'll make it a equals, and then name. There we go. So what you always have when you press echo, you have to tell the user what you want to do. So what is your name? Okay, well, up here you can have, I'll show you two really quick things. COLOR right there, color, and really quick easy way to test your colors is just type 1 2 3, and I'll show you when we get to that. And title, this is what'll be at the top bar, like this right here, as you see there. It'll be at the top, so we're gonna type what name. Alright, now this right here is set, means that whatever the user enters after this line right here will equal a. So actually, sometimes you want to put a space just to make it more convenient. And what this will do now is it'll ask you your name. Now, all that did was record a as a name. So technically, yes, this did nothing yet. So what you want to do is then you want to type echo. So your, well, name is, and then whatever you had the letter as, so be a, and then you have to have percent, like that, so your name is A. And now what this does right here, I'll show you this. Echo period is like a space in between the two, so if you want it to look all nice and neat, you can do echo period. Now, you don't have to have one at the beginning because it's at the top, unless you want it to look even better, and it'll still work. And then, so you're set, echo, well, echo period, echo period, echo period. Alright. Now, since most people, I really don't like where it shows you the press any key to continue, so I just type null every time, which it just hides what this does right here from the user, so he can't see it. Now the program, you file, save, because I've already saved this as a BAT, as you remember, and you close out of that, open it up. Now, what it pulled up is this right here. And this is how I told you to test the color. Now, you see this right here? The first number you enter is the background color, and the second number is the foreground or the text. So what you do is you pick your color. So say I want 02, so you go into this, edit, and you go right here and you type 02. Now what this does, you hit file, save, and it changes your color like so. Now it says, what is your name? So of course you're going to enter my name, or just Colton, and you type, so your name is Colton, and when you hit a key, because we put that pause null in there, it will enter, you hit enter and it'll close out the program. But before we go, I would like to show you this right here. Like I said before, that's your title. That's what put it at the top of your page. So you hit enter and it'll close out of the program. This concludes tutorial 1.